Hello guys, welcome back to another market analysis video. First of all, happy new year to all of you. And 31st was a very good day for bulls, and we saw very good bullish momentum, and the market was entirely bullish. You see all the sectors, and even Nifty and Bank Nifty, including Nifty and Bank Nifty, they all closed positive. Okay, so we started that new year on a very positive note. So we'll see what happens next. Alright, so talking about Nifty is on an important level 17,300, which is a very strong support for Nifty right now, and any sign below the 7,300 350 may trigger the levels below. Okay, but as of now Nifty is positive, seems to be positive, and it has, after a good tight consolidation, you see here right over here. I'll come on a shorter time frame to better explain it. So you see this tight consolidation here. Nifty give a breakout. Alright, so yeah, and right now it is consolidating again, and it is currently retesting the same level. Okay, I'll come back to our hourly time frame to better explain it. So right now the important thing for us to note down is any closing, candle closing above this high can be an entry point for us, and the 17,600 is a target, like the last resistance we should look at on an hourly time frame if you are looking at it from an hourly time frame perspective. And on a shorter time frame, you see here these levels, I'll just mark these levels. This is one, that is 17,530 and 17,500, these levels, and between all this 17,500 will act as a resistance for Nifty. Okay, and if 17,500 is broken, 17,500, then you can definitely go for the other targets as well. Alright, so entry at 17,400 at these levels once this level is broken, provided that it should have a good bullish momentum and volume, of course. Okay, so what Nifty is likely to do is it will consolidate in this session. Okay. It will consolidate like it did right over here, and it will give a breakout if it gives it closing below this, above this level. So you can definitely mark these levels. Alright, entry above 17,401 above this high. Okay, so this is for Nifty, and coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is currently at 35,510 and has broken a resistance, but will face another resistance at 35,600 and 35,600 to 700 between these levels. Alright, so you see these marked zones which will act as a resistance. If this resistance is broken, then you can take an entry till say 36,200 levels, because the next resistance or the next target is that. Well, coming to a shorter time frame, on 15 minutes time frame, it holds the same thing, that these levels will act as an important, this level of 36,250 will act as a strong resistance for Bank Nifty. Even if you see on an hourly time frame using this good point Fibonacci, you see hourly time frame, yeah, this is the next resistance, so you can consider it as your target. Okay, so these are some of the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you can definitely watch them, and you can definitely take a trade in them. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching the video till here, and if you're liking, please do share and subscribe. And if anybody of you want to learn more about stock market, how it works, and how do we actually take trade, how do we identify patterns, then I'll leave my phone number in the description box below, and you can contact me for the course details. And please do follow us on our various social media handles. Alright guys, thank you so much.